All right, guys, check this out. I picked up some of this premium pumpkin seed oil. These are 3,000 milligrams per serving. This is a 2-in-1 formula with salt, palmetto. You can pause and read this if you'd like. There's 330 soft gels, dairy-free, GMO-free, soy-free, gluten-free, all that good stuff, right? And you can read this if you'd like. You can pause the screen and we can take a look at some of the supplement facts if you want to pause and read it. This is a little bit about it. Let's take a look at what they look like inside. So they actually remind me of like jelly beans almost. There's 330 in here, but you can get different counts, different sizes and stuff. Don't they look like jelly beans? Very small. Almost the size of like a, it's actually smaller than a liquid Advil. That's a smaller capsule than a liquid Advil. Very easy to swallow. Obviously consult your doctor before taking anything. But yeah, definitely love taking my supplements, add it to my regimen. That's it. Premium pumpkin seed oils, caplets. Check it out.